Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 5 Soups that won't spike your blood pressure. The text discusses how to make blood pressure friendly soups that are low in sodium but high in beneficial nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and fiber. The key points are: 1. Lentil vegetable soup is an excellent choice, as lentils are rich in potassium and magnesium, which help lower blood pressure. 2. Homemade tomato basil soup made with low-sodium ingredients is high in potassium from the tomatoes. 3. Chickpea, macaroni, and spinach soup combines chickpeas, high in potassium and fiber, with spinach, high in magnesium and nitrates. 4. Barley mushroom soup provides beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol and improve insulin sensitivity. 5. Butternut ginger soup is high in potassium from the butternut squash and contains compounds in ginger that can help improve vascular function. When making or choosing soups, the recommendations are to aim for less than 140 mg of sodium per serving, use low sodium or no salt added broths and ingredients, and flavor with herbs, spices, and other low sodium options instead of salt. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.